Hi there, students. We got a rare in-home demo for you today. Surface area of a sphere. The formula is posted. We will refer to that throughout the video. To this day and growing up, I have always loved atomic fireballs. And the atomic fireball is a classic example of a sphere. There's a good zoom in on it right there. An equal distance to the center from every point on the surface, and it is a solid round figure. Perfect example of a sphere. So we're going to find the surface area of an atomic fireball today. So the first step is you have to find that radius. So earlier on, I took a mallet to one of these atomic fireballs and I broke it into two. And I am going to find the radius of that at this time. And I'm going to use millimeters because we're dealing with small units today. I'm going to try to, I hope this works. I'm going to try to get a little bit of a zoom in on this to show you. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have that as a diameter of 18 millimeters. So I need to convert that to a radius, of course, because we're talking about 4 times pi radius squared. And you start with radius squared first using the PEMDAS rules. So the radius would be 9 millimeters since the diameter was 18 millimeters. So we have found the radius. The radius was 9 millimeters. Great, we're all on the same page. Step number 2. We need to find the radius squared. To square a number, you multiply it by itself. So I would then do 9 times 9, which we've known since second grade, is 81. So the radius squared is 81. We're not finished yet though. Step number 3. You could have multiplied by 4 here. I chose to multiply by pi. That's fine. I multiplied by pi, which of course is 3.14. And I have done the math for you. And I don't know, can we see that okay? I might have to move this up a little bit here. But step number 3, you see pi times 81, and we end up with 254 and 34 hundredths. We're not finished yet though. Final step, step number 4. Multiply by 4. So I take the number I got in step 3, and I then multiply it by 4. Let's see if we can, that might help a little bit. There we go, now we're talking. And I multiply it by 4, and you can see what I get here. And the surface area of the atomic fireball, 1,017 and 36 hundredths millimeters squared. Remember, it's units squared when you're dealing with area. And of course, the surface area is referring to the outside of the atomic fireball, or the outside of the sphere. Volume is what is inside. Surface area is what is outside. So all this red here that we see on the surface, 1,017 and 36 hundredths millimeters squared. That is the surface area of the fireball. There you go. There's a good zoom in. Thank you.